బడ్జెట్ పై పార్లమెంటరీ వ్యవహారాల మంత్రి ప్రహ్లాద్ జోషి మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
कि गरीबों को सक्षम करना, we should prepare them, we should make them to fight against the poverty. So with that intention we are trying to empower them, we are trying to support them. By that many achievements have been taken place. I cannot in a one media briefing I cannot brief everything, but the highlights of this budget I will try to bring it to your notice so that it can reach crores of Telangana people. So while post-COVID, the world economy, you all know very well, it was in a negative trend, but recently the global economy, while performing better than the expected, but still in the grip of the policy uncertainties, elevated asset price, political uncertainties, shipping disruptions continues to pose significant downside risks for the growth and upside risks for the inflation. Whereas India's economic growth continues to be shining. It is an exception, and India is the bright spot for the entire world and will remain so years to ahead. India's inflation continues to be low and stable and moving towards the 4% target. Core inflation, non-food and non-fuel, currently is at 3.1%. As we know, the interim budget of the government at that time focused the four major castes, that is Garib, Mahila, that is woman, Yuva youth, and Annadata farmer. For Annadata, minimum support price a month ago for all major crops announced, delivering the promises at least 50% margin over the cost. We all know the Swaminathan Committee's recommendation of the 50% was rejected by then UPA government. Sharad Pawarji, PC Thomas, and many others, including there was one Andhra minister at that time, erstwhile Andhra minister. All together, they had on record in the parliament said that Swaminathan Committee, especially 50% margin over the cost, is unjustifiable, and we will not be able to do that. That was rejected, but Modi government successfully it is doing it from last 10 years, and it is continued last month also. The world's largest food security scheme, Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyana Anna Yojana, which comes under my ministry, was extended for the 5 years, benefiting more than 80 crore people. And I would, before I could go to the further points, I would only like to request and tell you, and through you to the people and the expert, that this is the continuity of the interim budget which was presented on 1st February 2024, that is 5-6 months back. Our priority is particularly on employment, skilling, MSME, middle class. So overall, our priority is productivity and resilience in agriculture, employment and skilling, inclusive human resource development and the social justice, manufacturing and service, urban development and energy security. In agricultural, 1.52 lakh crore of agricultural and allied sector has been made in this budget. 109 high-yielding climate-resilient varieties of 32 field and horticulture crops will be released for the cultivation to the farmers.